All right, hey guys, Ty here. This is another video in my series of how to get the most out of your Oculus GO. And this video is going to be sick because I'm going to show you how to wirelessly connect your Go to your PC to transfer folders or files both back and forth, complete file management wirelessly, and it just works. Every single time you turn on your Go, you're gonna have access on your computer. You're never gonna have to plug anything in. You're never gonna have any wires. And in fact, you're gonna have a drive letter assigned to your Go on your PC, just like it's a hard drive. So you're just gonna double click it, and we'll open this up here and I will show you. So here is my PC, and right down here, we are gonna see the Oculus GO drive. It's my O drive. We're gonna double click that, and bam, here we are. We're in the Oculus GO. Just like that. And whenever I turn this on, I've got access to it. You don't need to do anything. It's awesome. You just got to make sure that your computer and your Go are on the same Wi-Fi network that you set everything up on. So your home Wi-Fi network. And so what you're going to need, you're going to need two pieces of software. You're going to need an app for your phone, and you're going to need a program for your PC. The first thing that you're going to want to get is you're going to want to get this app right here, and it's called FTP Server Multiple FTP Users, and you can just see its icon. So it's got a unique icon right here. Now, I will do another video on how to actually install apps on your phone and then just pull them and put them on your Go. So you can go to the Google Play Store, get an app, and then basically transfer the APK over to your app and install it like that. That's how I installed FTP Server here on my Go. So you might want to wait and watch that next video. That will be the next video that I do. Or I'm sure you can just find it on like APK Mirror or one of those app repository type sites right there. So you're going to want to install FTP Server on your Go. And if you want to not have to deal with like ADB sideloading, I've got a video that I will link to below that shows you how to sideload really easy. Just drag and drop, and then once you've installed ES File Explorer on this, you can just go to ES File Explorer and install the APKs from within the Go. You'll never need to sideload again, and that's all part of that same video. So I will share a link to that video. That is a pretty useful video. So now I can't cast the Go because Oculus just updated it and they won't allow you to cast anything from within Oculus TV, and it's super frustrating. But doesn't matter because I can show you how to set everything up on my cell phone right here, and it's going to look exactly the same, except the orientation is going to be a little bit different. So you're going to install FTP Server - multiple FTP users on your Go, and then what you're going to see is this. This is the first screen, and this is your home screen right here. I believe the FTP port is defaulted at 2121, but I just changed it to 2222, easier to remember. So enter in whatever FTP port you're going to want to use. I use 2222. Down here, you're going to want to make sure that these are toggled, and it's keep server running even if screen is locked, and automatically start on Wi-Fi detection. That way, when you turn on your Go, once you turn on your Wi-Fi, or the Wi-Fi is just set to always come on, it's going to start running that service in the background. And I have found that it consumes noticeably no battery life. I didn't notice it at all. I'm sure it's consuming a tiny bit of battery. It does consume it when you're actively transferring files back and forth, but with the service just on running in the background, I haven't noticed any problems. And I haven't noticed it causing any issues at all on the Go. It doesn't slow it down, nothing crashing, no problems at all right there. But if you don't mind just going into your Go, going to Oculus TV, I might recommend using App Starter and actually starting the service every time you want to transfer files, and you can just turn that off. But then you will have to manually launch this within the Go each time you want to use it. So I actually have it set to automatically start on Wi-Fi detect, and then you're going to go down here to user management. We've got to create a user, so you're going to hit the plus there. So we'll just go Tycho Tech right here, and then username can just be Tycho. Oh, and I've noticed it won't accept capitals when you do it. So sometimes your keyboard will default to caps, but just make sure that you Tycho. Everything's got to be lowercase for the username, password, and we'll just put Tycho Tekken right there. And then you want to do access path. You got to give it access, and so you're going to click that. And now on your Oculus Go, it's going to look similar to this. Instead of saying like the Samsung Galaxy S8 right here, I think it says Pacific, and I don't know why it doesn't say Oculus Go. At least it didn't mine. So anyways, just click that first thing that you see, and that's all, and then just click select, and then you're going to click OK right there, and then we are running. Now we're going to go back over to home on this side, and we're just going to start the session, okay? Now, you're gonna wanna make note of the IP address up here in the top. So I've got 192.168.1.7. My Go is 1.8. And then you've got your port 2222. So make note of what this IP address and port is right here. The next thing that you're gonna need, and this is really easy to set up, is you're gonna need something called RAI Drive. And this is RAI Drive right here, and here's the website. So it's just raidrive.com. I'll provide a link down below. It's free, and RAI Drive is awesome. I freaking love it. It allows you to set up all sorts of different web storage or FTP or WebDAV as drives on your computer. You can assign drive letters to them. So if we actually go to my computer right here, you're going to see I've got 3 OneDrives. Well, those are 3 different OneDrive accounts with a terabyte each. I've set up for my Plex media server, so now I don't have to keep all my media actually on my computer. I can keep it in the cloud, but Plex thinks it's on my computer and it works and it streams it to my TV just fine. That is another video though that will be coming. So you're going to install RAI Drive, and this is the interface right here. And without any drives, you're not going to have anything here. So just click on Add, and you're going to want to FTP right here. And then click on the drive letter that you want right here. For this one, I'm going to call it S because it's my Samsung, but on the Oculus, I called it O for Oculus right there. And then right here is where you're going to type in the address that you see right here, the IP address. So it's 192.168.1.7 for this and whatever it is on your Go. And then over here is where you're going to put the port, which is 2222, and then your username. So it was Tycho, and then Tycho Tech, and then click OK. And then bam, it launches it. And now look at this. We are actually in my phone right now, just like we would be in the Oculus Go. And that's it. You're done. Now, you might want to go into settings under RAI Drive right here and check run program automatically when Windows starts, and run File Explorer when a drive is connected so that it opens up the File Explorer like it did just there. So check those two things off so that it will automatically run whenever you start Windows. And bam, you are good to go. Now if we go over to your computer, you will see now that you have a new drive. And right here, I've got my new S drive that wasn't there, and that's for my Samsung. And again, then you're just gonna open it up and you can transfer over anything you want to and from your Oculus. That's it, you're good to go. Yeah, it's that easy. I love it. So if you have any questions about this, if I was talking too fast, you're confused, ask in the comments below. I'm happy to help. Please give this video a thumbs up, smash that like button, and be sure to subscribe if you are into this sort of stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.